Hello planners, are you wanting to increase your Instagram engagement and comments? Here at Plann, we believe in the value of Instagram comments. They allow you to start conversations that really include your audience. And so, as a way to help you on your journey to Instagram success, we've compiled a list of great new post ideas that will really help you increase engagement and comments on your grid. The first post idea is to host a giveaway. A giveaway can be a major boost of engagement to your Instagram, especially if you make leaving a comment a key requirement to enter. Offer your audience a chance to win and watch your engagement skyrocket. You'll not only grow your community, but pique people's interest and make them excited about what your brand has to offer. The next idea is one of our favorite ways to increase engagement here at Plann, and it is to host a Q&A session. This is a great chance to connect with your audience and to invite them to ask any questions that they have about your brand. It gives you the opportunity to be completely authentic and to know what's on your audience's mind and what their pain points are. You'll generate real, meaningful engagement and also get some key insights as to your customers' knowledge and interest. And then you can take these comments that you've gotten and use them to host a live Instagram session where you can dive even deeper into some of their questions. Another great way to increase engagement, and another one of our favorites here at Plann, is to share a tutorial. Some products do require a learning curve, so you might as well use your Instagram account. A tutorial can be a valuable educational resource for your customers. And you might even receive comments from your audience with follow-up questions about the product or insights into other products that they may need help learning, and then you can create even more tutorials to engage with them. But that is not all. We have 11 more fresh post ideas over on the blog. These are really going to help you boost your comments on your grid, and I hope you go check them out. Until then, happy planning, and I'll see you next time.